Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used in discussions about making problems worse: exacerbate. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is exacerbate. Let's break it down. First, we have ig, which sounds like the ig in ignore. Next is zas, which rhymes with class but with a z sound. Then comes yer, which sounds like the er in her. Finally, we have bait, which rhymes with late. Now let's put it all together. Exacerbate. Try repeating after me: exacerbate. Now a little faster: exacerbate. And at full speed: exacerbate. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Exacerbate means to make a situation worse. For example, if you have a cold and go out in the rain, you might exacerbate your illness. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce exacerbate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.